Is the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 worth the extra money you'll spend? Are you tired of mediocre sound quality from your earbuds? Are you fed up with mediocre bass, tinny highs, and a lack of detail in your music? Well, I have some good news for you. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4. But here's what surprised me when I started using these earbuds. They changed everything. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. Before we dive into the review, let me tell you that the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 is a budget-friendly earbud option with a focus on delivering high-quality sound. But therefore, it's not just about throwing some decent drivers into an earbud and calling it a day. The real question is, does it live up to its promises? But there's more to the story than meets the eye, /N. The Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 boasts a number of impressive features that set it apart from other budget earbuds on the market. For starters, it has 8 dynamic drivers that are designed to deliver clear and detailed sound with good bass response. But therefore, what really caught my attention was its compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. But that's not all. The Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 also comes equipped with a number of convenient features such as touch control, voice assistant integration, and long-lasting battery life, /N. Now let's dive into the review in more detail. One thing that I was really impressed with was the packaging of the earbuds. The box is sturdy and well-designed, and it includes everything you need to get started, including a charging cable, a carrying case, and 3 pairs of ear tips. But what about the sound quality? That's where things get really interesting, /N. As I mentioned earlier, the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 has 8 dynamic drivers that are designed to deliver clear and detailed sound with good bass response. But therefore, the real question is whether or not these drivers can actually live up to their promises. Let's take a closer look at how they perform, /N. In my testing, I was blown away by the sound quality of the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4. The earbuds delivered clear and detailed sound with good bass response, making them perfect for listening to music on the go. But therefore, what really impressed me was their ability to handle a wide range of frequencies without any distortion. But there's one more thing that I want to mention, the comfort level, /N. The Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 is designed to be comfortable and lightweight, making them perfect for long listening sessions. But therefore, what really impressed me was how well they fit in my ears. The ear tips are soft and flexible, and they conform perfectly to the shape of your ear. But now it's time to talk about the elephant in the room, price, /N. The Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 is a budget-friendly option that won't break the bank. But therefore, does its affordable price tag mean that it sacrifices sound quality? Not on my watch. Let me tell you what I found out when I dug deeper into the product's specifications, /N. According to Linsoul, the Tin HiFi T4 has a frequency response of 20 Hz 40 kHz, which is impressive for an earbud in this price range. But therefore, what really caught my attention was its sensitivity rating, which is around 100 dB. But what does that mean for you? Let's break it down, /N. In simple terms, the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 has a high sensitivity rating, which means that it can handle a wide range of volume levels without any distortion. But therefore, this also means that it will be loud enough to get your music pumping without breaking the bank. But now it's time to talk about the elephant in the room, the competition, /N. There are plenty of other earbuds on the market that offer similar features and sound quality at a lower price point. But therefore, what sets the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 apart from the rest? Let me tell you. When I started using these earbuds, I was blown away by their comfort level and sound quality, /N. But there's one more thing that I want to mention, the warranty, /N. Linsoul offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on the Tin HiFi T4, which gives you peace of mind when purchasing. But therefore, what really impressed me was its customer support team. Let me tell you about my experience with their customer support, /N. When I reached out to Linsoul's customer support team with some questions about the earbuds, I was blown away by their response time and helpfulness. They got back to me within hours and provided detailed answers to all of my questions. But now it's time to talk about whether or not the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 is worth the extra money, /N. After using these earbuds for a while, I have to say that they're definitely worth the investment. But therefore, what really impressed me was their value proposition. Let me explain what I mean by that, /N. The Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 offers an unbeatable combination of sound quality, comfort level, and features at an affordable price point. But therefore, this also means that it's a great option for anyone who wants to upgrade their listening experience without breaking the bank. But before you make your final decision, let me give you some food for thought, /N. If you're looking for earbuds with exceptional sound quality and comfort level at an affordable price point, then the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 is definitely worth considering. But therefore, if you're on a tight budget and want to get started with earbuds without breaking the bank, then it may not be the best option for you. But in any case, I hope this review has helped you make an informed decision, /N. For those who are interested in getting the Linsoul Tin HiFi T4 at the best price possible, click the link in the description below to get started. Happy listening!